Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the device and taking one concrete action. Open a new document now. Make sure the calculator has decent charge and any prompted OS update is postponed until you finish this session. This avoids interruptions. Press Home, choose New Document, then add the app you need, like Calculator or Graphs. Once done, name the document for quick recall and make a simple note of the mode you'll use so you don't lose time switching later. After creating your document, structure the workflow around templates and the CAS. Use templates to enter fractions, matrices, and calculus expressions quickly. This reduces syntax errors. For graphing, set the window limits before plotting, then add functions and use trace or analyze to find roots and extrema. When you need symbolic math, call simplify, expand, or solve directly. That's why CAS exists. Make sure to save iterations as separate pages so you can backtrack without losing earlier results. To finish, save and export your work so nothing is lost. Use Save As and include a date or step number. Export files to your computer with TI-Nspire link or USB and keep backups. If the UI becomes unresponsive, try a soft reset first. Only perform a hard reset if problems persist because hard reset clears unsaved data. Finally, review your steps and annotate the document before closing so you can resume quickly next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.